ザリガニハーテロブスター親父 is appearing. Today is March 24th, Wednesday. This is Fumio Takano bilingual video diary. Always I speak out one key point in communication as a communication trainer. Yeah, if you will taking a look at my video diary every day, you will become a gradually master of communication. Because I am master of communication, the facilitation, the presentation, and the negotiation, and the salesman training. So, if you will cope with me every day by taking a look at my video diary, you will gradually become a master of communication. Because I always speak out very important communication technique every day. Today, I would like to inform you a very important information. Some person, several person know I published out this book this January. This book is 72nd book of me, as an author. But this book, 思考人間, published out by an Amazon publishing company, but this naming is not so good. So there are some advice from my friends. Takano sensei, 思考人間, that title is not so good. To prevailing widely this book, so that I changed book's name at the same time. This book is on sales now. Besides this book, I changed the book's name. 乾電池人生から脱出せよ。乾電池人生から脱出せよ。Every people living style is alkali battery. Small person, middle person, bigger person. But biggest battery, 単1, even biggest battery, such a person will be fired out, burning out at the retirement time on 65 years old. After that, they will become a scrap. Remaining life like a scrap style remaining life. Oh my God, that is in vain. So I strongly recommend it to every people in the younger days, about 20 or 30 years old. Please change your living style from battery style to dynamo style. Most clever person changes their living style from the dynamo style, but solar system style. If you will establish in your life a solar system, as your partner will getting money for you. But if you are praying, money will be supplied automatically. That's a solar system style of living. But that's not so easy. By use of the brain, you will take such a solar system style of life. But if you will get a style of dynamo style life, I think it's very good. Until die, you will be in active life until die. 80 years old or 90 or 100 years. In the near future, our lifetime prolonged around 90 years or 100 years. So after retirement time remaining around 35 or 40 years. Just remaining, after retirement, 65 years, we should utilize our life so effectively. So that I recommend to change your living style from battery style to dynamo or solar system style. This book is my 73 book. Yeah, this is the 70th book of me as an author. Thank you. I would like you to purchase and read this book. Yeah, but the content is same. But this title has been changed. Thank you! At the Bank of Edgar River. Bye bye.